How to use Google Maps on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google Maps. Make sure you have logged into your Google account. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Turn your location on by pressing on Turn On. Then you will find all these options, restaurant, hotels, which will show you nearby hotels, groceries, fuel options. If you click on square button at the top right, you will find map type and map details, which will show you public transit, traffic, satellite option. Then if you click on explore at the bottom, you will find latest thing in your areas. If you press on your profile at the top right, you'll find all these options. Click on offline maps and then press on select your own map. After you've selected, select the area that you live in and then press on download. After that, your map will work offline as well. Again, if you press on your profile, click on settings, you will find all these different kind of settings, themes. You can save streets and Google location settings and all these settings if you want to change anything. And if you go back and then press on search bar at the top right or simply on the top, you can simply search any location you want. As for example, I'm searching fuel station and it is showing me nearby fuel stations. You can simply select the station and it will give you all the information. You will also be able to see reviews, photos, and number as well. And if you want to go here, simply click on direction at the top and then click on choose start location. After you have done that, it will show you drive minute or walking distance minute. And this is how to use Google Maps on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.